How to multiply fractions? If the numbers are whole numbers, we simply multiply them. 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 3 is 15. But what if they are in terms of fractions? When there is a number which is not divisible, when the numerator or denominator is not divisible by the same number, then simply we multiply the numerators. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then multiply the denominator. 6 times 3 is 18. And then try to reduce the number to bring the simplest form of fraction. So we can divide and then bring it in the simplest form. So 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 times 10 is 20. Always we have to divide both numerator and denominator by the same number so that we get equivalent fraction. So this is not further divisible because 10 is divisible by 2 but 9 is not divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 3 but 10 is not divisible by 3. So this cannot be further divided. We can represent it in the form of mixed fraction. How to get mixed fraction? You divide 10 by 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So 1 is your remainder. Remainder is written above and then your divisor is written below. So 1 is your quotient, 1 is remainder, and then 9 is your divisor. So this is how mixed fractions are written. There is another way of multiplying fractions. For example, if you have 4 upon 8 multiplied 32 upon 6, then what you will do? Multiplying 32 times 4 will not be useful. So let's divide it here. We see that 32 is also divisible by 8. 8 is also divisible by 4. So we can start from here. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. Now 32 is divisible by 2. So we can strike like this, and 2 times 16 is 32. 2 times 1 is 1. Now we have 16 upon 6. You check whether 16 is divisible by 2. Yes. 6 is divisible by 2. Yes. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 3 is 6. So your answer is 8 upon 3. Now it is not further divisible by the same number. You can write in the form of mixed fraction. This is your answer. It is not the case that we are just dividing it with 2. You have to check which number divides both numerator and denominator, because you have to divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. If you are dividing a number, for example, if you have 16 upon 15, 16 is divisible by 2, 15 is not divisible by 2. So we cannot do here reduction of this fraction. What if 16 upon 15 is multiplied with 30 upon 48? Now we have one more fraction which we have to multiply. So rather than multiplying 16 to 30 and 15 to 48, the easier way is to first reduce this fraction. 15 times 1 is 15 and 15 times 2 is 30. 16 times 1 is 16 and 16 times 3 is 48. So your answer will be 2 upon 3. So for fractions, rather multiplying the numerators and denominators, try to reduce them, try to find whether the numbers are divisible, and then you get the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it, subscribe it. Thanks for watching.